Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
May I now request Mr. Dinesh Peri to take over and convey us the message of Ma Dharma Diksha on how the physical health and samadhi is rooted in body via energy. Over to you, sir.
My namaskara to the people who are here to give recognition to both health and energy uprising via chakras for the human life, which is the primary objective of today's speech. I am here representing my Guru, Ma Dharma Diksha Ji, as she is involved in deep research activities. And with her grace and blessings, I bring her message to you. My compliments to the organizers, especially Dr. Yugandhar Ji, who have, with this medium, helped to promote human health and its way to happiness through this World Parliament of Spirituality. In this program, where the main concern is to remove the hindrances from human life, keeping that in mind, we have inspected and examined the human body in a special manner to provide health to the human life. We are centrally focusing on one single principle, that while examine if there is anything wrong with the body, we first recognize the part of the body or the body in a healthy state. When we study the working of a healthy state of body, we need to know the working of a healthy living body. When the body is ill and the disease is fully grown, then we need to examine the working state of that diseased living body. After supervising both the processes of a healthy body and the diseased one, we can conclude that such a body which comes under a live working condition, while seeing both the ends, the missing link of a body, that which is the inner turmoil, changing from healthy state to a diseased state or vice versa, can be known. The healthy body is such, there is no pain or discomfort in any part of the body, and there is a lot of agility in that body. So we have understood the importance of examining the changes in the healthy and unhealthy body in its living state. Ma Dharma Diksha Ji, through her yogic methods, in capacity of contracting the inner prana in the body and at the same time loosening its identity with the body function and reaching the state of observation. By loosening the identity state and going to the neutral state to observe the total working of a body in a better manner, Ma Dharma Diksha Ji has, by increasing the earth element in her body a little more than normal and making her own body into an laboratory. She has been successful in identifying the healthy and unhealthy states of body in this laboratory. Through the yogic roots, we were able to reach the state after contracting the inner prana, where we could observe the inner working of a living body. With the same success, for a small duration, we import the diseases in the body. And while we want to identify the cause and discover the cure for that particular disease. After the above processes, the arrangements have been made to remove the disease via yogic mudras from her own body. She has perfected the above functioning through practice of many years. After inspecting both healthy and the diseased state of a body, we could identify the epicenter of the cause of disease. After reaching the epicenter of the cause, we needed to work on the treatment of the diseased body, where without operating the body or putting the body through a higher temperature than the normal for curing the body. Keeping that in mind, we have discovered the cure for many diseases through our healing methods. We have discovered our ways of treatments on the basis of the aliveness of the working of human body on its various amplitudes. These amplitudes have various invisible subtlenesses. If the body is touched, then there is a change in the behavior of the energy spectrum of the body. This shows that the human body absorbs some from the outside, and with the body's routine functioning in process, these impulses create energy inside the body. The art of creating the right energy impulses in the body through the above methods, the right energy patterns touching the body and absorbing from the outside environment for making use of it inside. When the body, as per its capacity, is absorbing the energy patterns from the outside, changes the flow of energy inside. With great efforts, Ma Dharam Diksha Ji has successfully accomplished the art of descending these specific energy patterns on paper. The collection of energy, along with its expansion and its contraction, is formatted and brought on paper. Thus, a very special science is arrived into existence, which is known as sensational science. On the basis of sensational science egoism, through the different dimensions of energy to cure and support the healing of many diseases by the means of more than 17,000 yantras, instrument yantras, stone treatment, live healings, mudra healings, which is given in details in more than 60 books written by her. This is an ongoing process to accomplish various other dimensions of energies. With the help of sensational science egoism to attain a healthy body, mental peace, and energy uprising on the higher chakras is achieved easily in the body. In today's time constraint, it is difficult to take out time for meditation activities every day. So while at home, you can keep these specific yantras, body touching, hand touching, or sitting on these yantras and energy uprising through upper chakras is possible. With the help of this science, the energy in the body is balanced in such a manner that a human rejoices in being human, not connected to any specific caste, creed, or religion, and living with the feeling that the whole human race is on earth is part of one big family. As we all are a part of this existential energy, and by accepting many dimensions of each one of us in this world parliament of spirituality, we can develop our own strengths and achieve our goals with happiness through it. Thanking you for listening to my conversation with peace and silence, I bow down in gratitude. I just call my colleague to show you these yantras and just explain a few yantras and exactly know what I said here. This is what we call the meditation yantra, where after you sit on this yantra, the energies around you are in favor of you. The gravitational force doesn't come in between you and meditation, and so you can go higher and deeper very fast. This is a yantra which is known as Medha Pradnya. It is for the children when they want to study. If they sit on this yantra, some centers open in their brain which makes them to understand the subject more, memorize it properly, and recollect it when the time it is needed. This is a food yantra. By using this, a specific energy with food goes inside your body, which cures the body ailments, it improves your digestion, it reduces your weight to an extent, and it provides good sleep and is effective in many cancers. This is a yantra which we call as again. After using this yantra here, many of your foreign bodies and negative vibrations can be grounded from this part. This is a Vastu Shanti yantra, which gives a lot of grace and brings an atmosphere of happiness once you put it under the tiles in your home. This yantra is known as the headache and body ache yantra, which you can use it whenever you have headaches and body aches. You can just place the yantra at the point and immediate relief you will feel after this. As we were hearing Mr. Chatterjee, as a question was asked about the criminal tendencies, how do we curb the criminal tendencies? We had in June, we had gone to a jail in Surat, which is a very modern jail we could see in India, where a healing was done on at least, I remember, 200 of the prisoners, and there was a very profound effect of the same. Ma says that violence is a disease, but through this sensational science, if we close down few centers in the body, with this we can cure the disease without explaining to them, without anything. Just one healing from Ma can close down the centers of these prisoners and they won't become violent. It's an automatic healing done to them. We do such healings on children in school. We open their brain centers so that they can become bright with with what they study. We do healings to doctors, because when a doctor is curing so many patients, he can get a disease to himself. We teachers where the Nabi Kendra can be put we can expand the Nabi Kendra in such a manner that when they go to a class, they can connect to every child in the class, and every child gets connection with the teacher, so the education can happen. Nowadays, children don't study properly because they don't feel the connection as they feel at home. They don't feel the connection with the teacher. So such healings are going on. We are doing it on trial basis, but at Ma doesn't have enough time for such things. But in the future, when she's over with her research activities, we will surely make it in a big way and do such healings regularly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dinesh ji, for sharing the message of Ma Dharma Diksha.